Patricio, Merry Christmas. We're at Marina's house at a tree trimming party, and this is going to be a video documenting the night for you.
Hi Mono, here we are. We're having a great time. The tree is beautiful, but let me say no more. The pictures will tell the story. Ciao.
We're missing you. Here comes the tree.
Here it comes.
Okay. Now we'll go outside.
She was in her 70s and she was still flourishing.
Babe, say hi to Dad.
Hi, Dad. We miss you. Love you. Look at my gnome. We're crafting per usual.
This is making decorations.
Yes, we're making baker's clay. He did this last year. I don't know where we're
All right, here comes the tree.
I'm out of the loop.
Very big for sure. Constanza and Patrice and the newlyweds. Say hi to Patricio. Say hi to your dad.
Hi, Dad. Love you. Miss you.
Say hi to Patricio.
Hey. Hi. We miss you. This is my friend Eric.
And that's it. One more shot for the tree, and we'll try to get you this video as soon as we can. We miss you.